I'm the founder of Pierce Bits Company, and we had the opportunity to design a brand new state-of-the-art cable drill bit called the Pierce Bits, which is patent form. Our patent is the matching apparatus for installing cables. I like to do a demonstration on how this drill bit performs. And we have our technician here, Mr. Eric Ware, who will be doing the demonstration.
This is a 1/2 inch by 18-inch masonry bit. Attach your completed compressed cable onto the end of the bit, and it's ready to be fed through your opening, and you can go on to the next one.
Thank you for tuning in once again to Pierce Bits Company, and we will be getting these drill bits out to you as soon as you order. Thank you.